we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Monsters app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps. You come to apps list here. And here you're looking for Monsters app. Or just click on search here. So then here add Monsters app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it here. Sorry, we'll go back. You search here for Monsters app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is here. Click here on full stop. So then you click here on OK. Then you go down. You just click here on storage. Come to storage is here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store. You click here on Play Store here. Then here, so you search here for Monsters Legends app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.